through research paper, it is the updation of your qualification. We faculty member has taken our qualification. If you are MBA, if you are PhD, you did. Now you have started your career to teaching the student. But what is the updation? Only opening the book. If we say that Francis Cherryl has wrote international book, Justin Paul has wrote that book, we pick that book and we study from that paragraph and we give the lecture to the student, that is enough? No. Now high quality will come from here when we will open the research papers of others, when we will go others research, then we will learn something new, and when we will learn something new, then we will explain in the classroom to our students. So this is my message to the student, that only those who are in the undergraduation, they have to focus only 4-5 years, and those who are doing a master degree, they have to only focus 2 years. उसके बाद आपको कोई नहीं कहेगा कि पढ़ाई कर लो, but in the market when you are going, nobody will ask that what you have read in your book. They will ask you about your practical knowledge. Now the IT and management has been merged. Everything has been done by the IT. I think that यहाँ पर जितने भी बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, they all have a mobile and they are using internet. It means that you have all information. Try to get good knowledge from your mobile. Try to get information from your app. Same thing for the teacher. The teacher is trying to get, they upgrading their knowledge. Research. Lot of the teachers say, अरे research paper लिखने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. MCom and PhD I have did. Okay, एक डिग्री हो गई. इसके बाद मेरे लिए क्या डिग्री है? How I should be upgrade myself. My research paper is my diamond. When I write one research paper, it will added in my career, in my CV. When I write second research paper, third research paper. As earlier when I have started my career, that time I was only MCom. And when I entered to teach MCom student, I thought ये भी MCom कर रहा है, मैंने भी MCom करा है, इसमें और मुझ में डिफरेंस क्या रह गया? Something should be special, so I have converted myself in the PhD. PhD करी, then I have did my PhD in the international business. तो मेरे को लगा कि I can teach MBA student because MBA course is also related with that. Then I thought कि I am PhD MCom, this student is MBA. It means that he or she have a good degree with them. Then I thought that I have to do MBA. अब MBA भी कर लिया. अब ये बच्चा भी MBA, I am also MBA. She is also PhD, I am also PhD. My lecturer is also PhD. Before 10 years, Dharmendra was lecturer, and I was also there as a professor. Now Dharmendra is also professor. Now we both are on the same track. लेकिन then also I think कि मुझे तो धर्मेंद्र से आगे ही निकलना है, नहीं तो मेरे और उसमें क्या फर्क रह गया? Right or wrong? कौन मुझे आगे निकालेगा? I had to do hard work myself. Then I started writing my research paper. Then I started 1 paper, 2 paper, 3 paper, 4 paper. Right now I have a 100+ paper in the international journal. Slowly, I was the lecturer in small degree college. Then I moved from professional college. Then I moved from one place to another place. And now I went in international. Today I am international editorial board member, scientific board member. It means that I have added diamond in my CV. If you go outside, then you will learn something. These conferences are focused for the student and the student to learn something special. वरना तो शायद मैं यहाँ नहीं होती. Otherwise, Vice Chancellor sir was not here. Or we have a guest from foreign Turkey. He was not here. ये research ही है that all people are gathered here and we are giving our knowledge. So I would like to say you that education without vision is fruitless, and education without value is meaningless. less. So focus on your education. In the last, I would like to give you one poem that don't lose your pen. Pen is very important in your life. If you lose your pen, बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे देखे होंगे मैंने कि क्लास में आ जाते हैं लेकिन उनके पास पेन ही नहीं होता है. Am I right or wrong? Same thing. बहुत सारे फैकल्टीज भी ऐसे होते हैं मीटिंग में चले जाते हैं डायरी और पेन नहीं रखते हैं. Am I right? Both side. But don't lose your pen. Pen is very important in your life. If you don't have a pen, you cannot write your notes. If you will not write your notes, you cannot learn your notes. If you will not learn your note, you will be not able to give your examination. If you will not able to give your examination means that you will be fail. If you will be fail, then you will not get a degree. Right? If you will not get a degree, then you will not get a job. Right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
If you will not get a job, it means that you don't have a money to spend. Right or wrong?
Yes.
If you don't have a money, then you will be in the frustration.
Yes.
Then what will be happen? When you will be in the frustration, it means that nobody will like you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
No, ma'am.
no, I will not give you another message because you are very intelligent. You know then what will be happen in your future. So education and pen is very important. Please grab this time. Don't waste your time. Focus on your education. My message to the students that be regular in the classroom. Upgrade yourself and upgrade to us also. We will also upgrade by you. If you are not in the classroom, then we are also not upgrade. So don't spoil your career. Don't spoil our career. My all the well wishes for you and best wishes for your future career. Thank you very much.